Welcome back to the CraneBee tutorial. This is part of a series where I will show you how to use CraneBee. If you are here for this video, just keep on watching, but if you are looking for other topics, I link them all down below in the playlist. In this video, the topic will be obstacles or objects that we can put into the job site. So let's get started. We are coming back to our job site from previously, where I showed you the steps for this particular crane. Now let's go ahead and close the control window. And what we will do in this video is I will add a few obstacles. I will not go through all of them because there's lots. And I will show you how to use them. In the top at the ribbon, click on obstacles. And you can see we have different pre-made obstacles and forms there, like templates. You can see them as templates. So let's add a little house. You see it will come up in the obstacle list. This is a cuboid for now. I can change the form here to house. It's this box right now. Change the form. And this comes up because it saves the last value I put in. So this might be something I added the last time I used this obstacle. And let's change the color to a nicer one. Let's put a green shade there, yes. And I can go and say I want to change the height. So the height doesn't really work for me there, or the length, stuff like that. Also the width, we can also do like decimal points, no problem at all. And in this case I can also decide how big the roof is compared to the other ones. Let's hide the stadium for now and this crane. See here the angle of the roof and how big the roof is from the edge. Okay. House is pretty simple. Let's also take it and put it to the other crane. So this was at about minus 80 meters. And let's rotate it by 90 degrees. And also put it a little bit away like this. Just so we have it in there. Let's assume there's a house. The other interesting thing would probably be the warehouse. Let's put in a new warehouse, where you can decide to have like an open house. In this case, you can decide how many ribs it has. So this is currently 8 ribs. If I put 16, obviously going to be more. If I put only 1, this will be a sorry, this was 116. If I put only 1, this will be a solid wall. And we can also change the color. Let's put a blue shade. And let's maybe put it down here. It's not quite 90 degrees, it's more like 93, wrong direction, so that's more like 87. Oh, this was unfortunately the height. This can also be changed. Yeah, let's leave it there. And yeah, but I want to have like more like a skeleton look back. So yeah, nice. Right, and we also have a library. So CraneBee comes with a small library of a few parts. You may also add your own parts. How to do that is its own topic altogether. Let's put a something from wind power there. So we have, for example, like one of the motors. I can select it, I see some information and I accept. With those pre-made obstacles, you cannot change the size. But you can still move them around. So let's put it maybe on top of this building. I know that this corner of the building right here is at -80 x-axis and +56 y-axis. I can see this again down here on the left, where it shows where my cursor is right now. Let's put it there. -80x and +56. And I believe the building height was quite high. It was about 20 meters and the roof was 8, so 28. Almost. So it's about 21. But yeah. And that's all there is to say for now for those obstacles. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.